Oh, look at that. It's got 3 eyes. This has got an oven, guys. It's got an oven. Wow. This got an oven. So I can't wait to see how that one look. Cause that is a big one. Have a lot of storage out here. And there goes some more down there. A lot of storage. Wow, oh my god, guys. You guys gonna love this one. Make sure you like the video. Let's look. Wow, look at that. Oh my god, this is nice. Look how big it is at the top. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is a big, oh my god, this looks just like a house. Oh my god, look at that. The TV is up there. Cabinet, I like this brown. Wow. And then look over there. Cabinet space. Oh, look at that. It's got 3 eyes. This has got an oven, guys. It's got an oven. Wow. This got an oven. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is only $50,000. OMG, only $50,000. Look at that. Maybe, I don't know. 50,000. Don't have my pull thing. They're probably older. Look at all these drawers. This is only $50,000. I can't believe it. See, I probably would never use this. I give me like a electric skillet. Cause I don't want to be messing with nothing with no propane. Cause I might forget to turn it off. Dang, 50,000. Wow, look at the bathroom. Oh my god, the bathroom is so big. Look at that. Where's the toilet? Must be right here. Yep, there go the toilet. And you just open the window. This is a big one. Look at this sink. Wow. Look at all the space in here. Wow. Even got a medicine cabinet. Wow. Let's see how I look. Look at the medicine cabinet. This is probably an older model. That's why it's only 50 grand. Light. Look at that, guys. That's nice. But where's the bed? I guess it's, I don't know. I guess the bed in there. But this is nice. Now, see, I can take this. And I just made me put me like a twin mattress right here. I see, I can live in this one. This is just good for one person. Because it, oh, you know what? The bed probably behind there. Yep, I see a mattress. The bed, you pull that down for the bed. This is great. Well, I don't know how you might have to let this down somehow, but that's nice. Now, see, I can do this, just me, though. Yep, this would just have to be for me. Because ain't no place for him to go with the TV. Another TV. This is nice. This looks just like a little house. 50 grand, guys. Wow. Something must be wrong with this. 50 grand? Wow. Okay, let's go. Oh, God, no. It's thick. No. This might be stick shit. That's why it's so cheap, too. I break my neck something nice. This is a stick. Is it? I don't know. Is that a stick shift, guys? I don't know. I hope it's not. I don't know what's in there. This is nice. I don't know if that's a stick shift. It say park, reverse, neutral, and drive. So hopefully it's not. Okay, guys, y'all little cricket. It's hot. Go way up. Hey, girl. This is how it looks from here. Nice. I like the floor. Like something at home would look. Nice. Nice and nice. $50,000. Nice. Can't believe that. Only 50 grand. That's not bad at all. But yeah, what's wrong with it? They knocked the extra 14 out, 60. Yeah, 14102. Dang, not bad. I really love this one because it really, looks like a home with all this brown as the bed. Nice TV. Nice guy. Nice. Okay, on to the next one. This is the one that I really love, guys. This is it.